Let's simplify the process for resetting your Schlage keypad lock without needing the programming code. It's great to know that you don't need the programming code for this. You'll just need the default user code, which is a 4-digit code that comes with the lock and the preset steps to reset the Schlage keypad lock. You can usually find this code on a sticker inside the battery compartment or in the user manual. And the steps to reset your keypad lock. Here are the steps. Begin by removing the backplate to reveal the battery compartment. Unplug the batteries to turn off the lock. Press and release the Schlage button on the front to ensure all residual power is discharged. Plug the batteries back in to power up the lock and press and keep holding the Schlage button simultaneously and wait until the light turns green and you hear a beep, signaling a successful reset. Do this within 10 seconds of reconnecting the batteries. To verify that the reset was successful, attempt one of the default user codes. Begin by pressing the Schlage button, then enter the default 4-digit user code. If the bolt moves, the reset is complete. Now, if you're concerned about security and don't want to use the default 4-digit user code, you'll want to change it to something new. Here's the good news. Schlage has thought of this. Along with the default user code, there's also a default 6-digit programming code in the same spot, on a sticker inside the battery compartment. To set your new user code, follow these steps. Enter the 6-digit default programming code. Press 1. This will signal that you want to add a new user code. Enter your new 8-digit new user code that's secure and easy for you to remember. Look for the lock to blink twice and beep twice to confirm the new code is set. And that's it. Your Schlage keypad lock is now reset and secured with a new user code of your choosing. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your lock is personalized and secure.